Stop paying for web hosting. If you have a website on your computer and you want to make it live for the world to see, completely for free, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to host your site in less than a minute without using GitHub or any complicated tools. I'm Yasiru, and welcome to Tech with Yasiru. Before we start, what is hosting? Basically, your website files are on your computer right now. For others to see it, those files need to be on a 24/7 active computer called a server. Usually, companies charge you for this. But today, we're using Netlify, which offers a professional starter plan for free. Look at my desktop. I have a folder here containing my index.html, style.css, and my images. Make sure your main file is named index.html. Go to netlify.com/drop. You don't even need to sign up first. Now simply drag your entire folder and drop it into this blue box. Wait for a few seconds, and boom! Your site is live. You can click this link right here to see your website online. Now to keep this site forever and change this random URL, you need to create a free account. Once you sign up, go to Site Settings and click Change Site Name. Let's name it Yasiru-Tech-Demo. Now your link is much more professional. You can also add your own .com domain here if you have one. Many people ask, what if I want to change my code later? Since we aren't using GitHub, it's still easy. Just open your site on Netlify, go to the Deploys tab, and you will see the same drag and drop box. Just upload your updated folder there, and Netlify will update your website instantly. No downtime at all. That's it. Hosting a website has never been easier. If this video was helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to Tech with a Yasiru for more easy tech tutorials. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. I'll see you in the next one.